Hey everybody, Anthony Morelli, AGM Senior Copywriter here for part 2 of SMSU tips and tricks for copywriting. Alright, so we left off on organic posts with the last one. Excuse me. So, this one is still about Water Resources International. That's the company that helps to add water filters and remove hard water and chlorine and stuff from the water in homes. So organic posts, like I said before, they're not stuck to the same ad guidelines and standards as paid ads. So you can be a little more liberal with your copy here and not worry so much about exactly how you're wording things to avoid personal claims and whatever. So you can actually come across with a direct question here, and that's why I start with direct questions with almost all of these, or direct statements, and say like, are you struggling with hard water? You probably couldn't do that with a paid ad. You probably get flagged for that. You deserve the best water treatment services in Arizona. Is your water safe to drink? Now, you can get a little more creative with these. These don't have to be just ads just with more direct copy. You can make them more fun. You can ask questions to try to garner engagement. Like, say, like, you could maybe type, have you noticed water droplet stains on your glasses after running your dishwasher? Let us know in the comments below. This could be a sign of hard water. And then from there you lead into how the company can help. So here's a little tip and trick to get you through the organic posts a little faster if you're running short on time or if you're having trouble coming up with something, you hit a wall. I actually come over here and take the entire social bio that I wrote for Facebook. And then come over to Facebook, add primary text here on Jarvis. Make sure you write in the company name. And then you actually can just paste the your social bio right in there. Make sure that it obviously fits the 600 character limit here. And then just generate a few ads and see how they look. And if you like the way they sound, you can use them as organic posts. But like I always say, do not take the copy at face value. This isn't as severe with organic posts since they're not following the ad guidelines, but you never know. Like right here, if so, you could be paying more for your water than necessary. Our art of softening and filtration systems can help save you up to 30% on your monthly bill. There's nothing in here about saving money on your water or saving 30% or whatever. Click here to get a free quote today. That's obviously not something that this number here doesn't have to do with the company. So you always need to make sure you read through whatever the AI comes up with and make the necessary adjustments so that it fits the brand that you're writing for. The last thing you want to do is spend your time writing up all this copy, not check it enough, send it into the client, and then well, obviously you need to get it qual checked first, send it into Leela, but then if you send it into the client and it's not what they asked for, they're clearly not going to be happy. And the last thing you want to do is have that lead to a refund either. So let's look through some of these other organic posts here. Like I said, direct your drinking water. I showed you about an example for how you can get some engagement here. Oh, and make sure that you're always ending these with "to learn more" or whatever. Click the link in the comments below. Do not say click below, or do not add a link within the post itself, because that will actually, Facebook's algorithm will actually drive traffic away from that link because they want to keep you on Facebook. So we actually write click the link in the comments below, and then we just make sure that we make that the top comment and have the link to the website on there. I'm going to wrap that up for organic posts, and then the last one that we will get to is paid ad copy.